Hello people. So I realize I need to smile in my videos, otherwise my thumbnail never comes out smiling. It's like I'm giving these weird expressions. And no, I have to probably collaborate with other YouTubers to be able to make some sensible videos, you know, because I don't know. So I think there was a time I had done one video of me traveling to Charminar, and then been to Gandikota. So yeah, but I have to say this, people. Amrita Suresh, a person with the same name as me, has a vlog that you should check out. It's called Amrita Gamayam. It is such a beautiful vlog. So people, and her name is also Amrita Suresh, and this and she's also Malayali like me, and we are both single parents, and it's just so amazing. I now just binge watch her channel, because it is so brilliant. But it's in Malayalam, but it's okay, people. Everyone can sit and watch Malayalam to learn the language. So anyway, so I've got to rush now. But on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.